you see is red eyes. You see his red eyes. He never emerges, just forever stares into the souls of the passing through the prairie down there. The prairie down there. It's not all picket fences, it's not all smiles and waves. The preacher preaches on Sunday, but what happens on Saturdays? Yeah, Jesus drank wine, I smoke pot. Television makes you wanna drink. So thank God for making me my own alcoholic shrink. There's a man at the dead end trying to kill me even more. He's got my body's toxic love sitting in the top of his dresser drawer. I have the mind to take these last dollars to my name, run my truck to his house and some more, and then I'll take that poison, feed it to the river. The front man kills the sheep no more. It's not all picket fences, it's not all smiles and waves. The preacher preaches on Sunday, but what happens on Saturday? Yeah, Jesus drank wine, I smoke pot. The television makes you wanna drink. So thank God for making me my own alcoholic shrink. Take me to jail, throw me in a cell for burning crack dealers' houses all the way down. Take me to jail, throw me in a cell for burning crack dealers' houses all the way down. It's not all picket fences, it's not all smiles and waves. The preacher preaches on Sunday, but what happens on Saturday? Yeah, Jesus drank wine, I smoke pot. The television makes you wanna drink. So thank God for making me my own alcoholic shrink. I said I thank God for making me my own alcoholic shrink. My own alcoholic shrink.
Cool. Time to shoot something. I'm gonna pull out my shotgun and shoot something with it.
Turn around.
Just bought it at the pawn shop. Gotta make sure it works. Not worried about it working, but it looked like everything was fine. We'll see. Forgot ear protection to keep our ears from getting blown out from a shotgun. So, let's see how this goes, huh? Not bad. She works. Not bad, not bad. Good. Pawn shop score. 150 bucks. This is a Remington 870. Yeah, not bad. $150. That's a good deal. Came with the strap too. Whatever. I'm no professional, but I do like shooting. Okay.
Ah! Tried to land on my face.
What was it?
Butterfly.
The flutterfly?
Yeah.
That was a ricochet. I'm good. I got my fix. How about you? You want to shoot more? No? It's too hot.
I'm getting
Really.
hot.
Came out just to play. Thanks for watching, guys. This was fun. God bless. See you guys next time.